Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the About Watch option. Tap on it. Here, scroll down, and below the version number you should see the serial number of the device. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.